Okay, so today I want to make a video on how to snip, like how to snip as a graphic designer. So let's say you have a write up. Let me bring a write up from picture like that. For instance, on this particular write up here, we have welcome. You can see welcome from here. So if you don't want to type, you can press. Please take note of this thing. You press Shift and hold. Press your window key and hold, and then press S. If you do like that, at the top up you can see screen record. This is snip. This is snip. The snip area you can select. Then come here to clipboard. This is called text extractor. How to extract text particular. You can now select this one. Then click here. Drag and drag like this. So at this point in time, you see what it's doing. It has selected that text, and on top you can see copy all text, and then you can paste it anywhere. You can come paste it anywhere. So that welcome to it has differentiated between that way. Or if it doesn't work like that, you can see, for instance, let's let's do the same thing with this 24/7. Press Shift Window S, and then you can see. Remember to always select this text extractor. Look at the from here. You can see up here downwards. You can see text extractor, meaning that you press window key, you press Shift, and you press T. So if you don't want to use that, you can still press window Shift T on your keyboard straight to carry you there. You can undo it that same way. Those are two different ways in which you can do that particular text extraction. So thank you, and I hope to see you at the top. You're celebrated, man. Later.